If you check the latest billionaire rankings, you will see a name sitting at the very top with $500 billion. That's not science fiction, it has just become reality. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has officially become the first person ever to reach a net worth of $500 billion. Yes, you heard it right. According to Forbes Billionaires Index, Musk's fortune touched $500.1 billion, making him the wealthiest person in the world by a wide margin. The surge came from a rebound in Tesla stock after a rocky start to the year. Shares climbed more than 14% so far, adding over $6 billion to Musk's wealth in a single day. Since Musk owns more than 12% of Tesla, every market swing directly shifts his net worth. But it isn't just Tesla. Musk's other ventures are also gaining momentum. His AI startup xAI was last valued at $75 billion and is now expected to soon target a valuation of $200 billion. Meanwhile, SpaceX has been valued at around $400 billion after new funding talks. Together, these companies have helped push Musk's wealth to an unprecedented level. Moreover, Musk personally purchased nearly $1 billion worth of Tesla stock in September through a trust, marking his first such investment since 2020. Now, this move signaled renewed confidence in Tesla's long-term growth. At the same time, Tesla board has been defending Musk's controversial $1 trillion performance-based pay package, arguing that his compensation should reflect his ability to meet what they call seemingly impossible goals. For now, Musk stands alone at the $500 billion mark, far ahead of Oracle's Larry Ellison, who is in second place with a net worth of about $350.7 billion. Now, this milestone underscores the close relationship between billionaire wealth and stock markets as well as company valuations. One strong earnings report, one funding round, or one market rebound can significantly shift the leaderboard. Elon Musk may have set a new record today, but in the world of innovation and finance, the story is constantly evolving. कल कौन ऊपर आएगा? That's the big question. तो ऐसे ही और टेक अपडेट्स के लिए वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।